Eso muy bien. Tú sabes. I don't even know how to speak Spanish. I just started speaking.
This is the official Tex Mex fajita. It'd be like somebody's grandma made them in the back.
Chef Alex has revolutionized fajitas. And I want you to taste where this cow has been, because these are special cows.
Here today in beautiful New York City on a gloomy day. Yo, Al!
Yo. I want to take you to this spot on 53rd.
Spend them ATL checks on me, baby.
You know I'm trying. So let's do this. All right. What did I tell you?
This is a nice place
You
right
take me somewhere, I take you somewhere.
Yeah, this is dope.
Hey, man, how are you? Oh,
great to have you.
See
Chef
you.
Alex, good to meet you. Good to meet you.
Thanks for coming by.
Empellon.
Empellon. Yeah.
What does that mean?
Empellon means to push. Interpreted the word to mean to kind of push yourself, chase your dreams.
Just relax.
All right.
Me and Chef Alex, we're gonna shut something up. Let's go, Chef.
Let's do it. So this is Japanese A5 Wagyu. These cows are fed a diet of beer, they're hand massaged every day. These cows lived a better life than you and I ever would.
How important is the cut?
What matters is that you're cutting it against the grain. This beef is so tender, it's not that critical. A little bit of our own special chili seasoning. This is an adobo. It's just a puree of different red chilies.
This paste on the beef as opposed to after.
This is a proprietary mole of our own. It's a mole made without chilies. All the heat in it comes from black pepper. Tortillas, we actually take corn directly from Oaxaca, grind it ourselves fresh every morning. So give that a smell.
Wow. Shout out to the Oaxacans.
Whether food is low end or high end, I think everything should be done with love. This metal's hot. You can feel the heat coming off of it. Don't get too close. This is so hot, it's gonna do all the cooking for us.
What?
These are poblano chilies,
Ooh, I can
red bell
smell it.
peppers.
Oh, wow.
We're just gonna lay this beef on. We're gonna send this out in the dining room and get it cooking for you at the table.
You know?
Oh, that's it right there?
That's it right
Welcome.
here. The plate is cooking it, right?
Yeah. You saw that beautiful marbling on that fat, right?
Because when I think of marble, I think of the kitchen countertop.
It's just the fat. It's just how the fat looks. You don't want to cook this too much.
This is like fresh corn, bro.
Yeah. Did he tell you what kind of peppers and onions these were?
Yeah. They're not from Pathmark.
You need to try this mole sauce, too.
We'll mole that over.
Here we go. You ready?
Have this for breakfast.
The mole sauce is amazing.
We made the sauce like a gravy so you can have it on the side.
See the texture of the meat, how tender and soft. You got to chew twice, maybe?
Isn't that a baby cow?
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple moves in. One thing I am noticing, though, the tortilla, they have an appreciation in it in this restaurant. Sometimes the tortilla be the worst part.
Yes.
If you're gonna make fajitas, make sure that corn, the actual tortilla, is important.
Yeah.
It's so good.
That's so good.
It's
That
like
was fantastic.
It's almost like you gotta pray twice. You know what I mean?
Now, I'm gonna take you to Javelina, one of the only Tex-Mex restaurants in New York City. Good to see you again, man.
Good to see you.
I had to bring you to get the official Tex-Mex experience.
What's the difference between Tex-Mex and like what we had?
Lots of cheese, a little spicier, flour tortillas.
Oh, this is not the corn building side. This is the flour side over here.
It's like East Coast, West Coast.
We're gonna go back here and make these fajitas.
All right, big brother.
Well, why don't you show me what's going on over here?
We use a very traditional recipe. We have Creekstone steak, which is from Pat LaFrida.
So you're using skirt steak?
Yes, we marinate it overnight. It's a very light marinade because we really want the steak's flavor to shine through. The fajitas are pretty interesting. They're not something that was traditionally cooked in Mexico. It's something that came out of a restaurant in Houston called Ninfa's back in the 70s. But they were really the first to really popularize the idea of fajitas.
One of the most important parts of the fajita is the shell that you're eating. All these things house-made?
Tortillas, everything. We're warming up the Kamal plates to give it a nice big smoke, and we see the fajitas going through the restaurant.
This is another one of those times where I wish I had smell-o-vision.
And then we serve that with a side of pico, guacamole, sour cream, and fresh flour tortillas.
Oh, it looks fantastic.
Little cilantro, another staple of Tex-Mex cuisine.
We're gonna eat Texas style, right?
Yeah, you don't walk out of here hungry ever.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely.
I'll see y'all in a minute. This is how fajitas were intended to be made. I'm ready to stick my face in here.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
All right. I just came back from the West Coast, and that used to be Mexico. I'm ready.
You're not ready.
Oh my God.
Yeah?
This is amazing. And that's in the budget.
That's in the budget.
That's in the budget. In my spot with Chef Alex, we had the what was that thing that we
The mole.
Is Texas and the way they make fajitas, do they skip that part, that gravy?
But the traditional way is just to highlight the meat. It's all about the meat, the skirt steak.
So I took you to a place
Right.
in which the beef was tended to.
They play Barry White music and
Right.
stuff, soft candles. Yeah.
Who's the best cow in the world?
You're the best cow.
These cows are raised, these aren't project cows.
All the best meats in New York City come from patent free. Now, it's not Wagyu beef, but nothing is Wagyu beef. But this is some of the best skirt steak that you can possibly get here. This cow might have been like a doctor or a lawyer or something, you know what I mean?
But I had no idea that these was gonna be so good.
If you like getting some really solid, good fajitas, you know you can come here and have them.
And so I gotta pray 3 times for this one.
I told you, bro. Those was official, right? Whoa. With the flour tortillas. What's funny is they're all the same elements, the onions and peppers, the way that they prepared it with his marinade, it was very delicious.
The fajita is so flavorful in your spot.
Going to other places was like watching the evolution, and this is to show you where its humble beginnings come from.
So many different kinds of fajitas.
Okay, you can do the eyebrow, or you can do a low brow. Woo! This is Jarobi White, signing off from my man Albe.
You already
We'll
know.
see you later. Peace.
Thank you, Fireman.